My name's Julian Harrison. I'm the curriculum leader for construction at Stafford College, where we run a wide variety of qualifications within our construction and engineering department. And today we're going to be speaking to you about our construction and motor vehicle area. Before I do start, I'd like to just mention that on Thursday, the 26th of November, we have got a virtual open event, which if you want to find out further information and speak to staff from all areas of the college, then please go onto the college website where you can find further information about that open event. That's Thursday, the 26th of November. Okay, moving on from there then, our construction department is a very successful department, and we've been running now for many years. I've been there myself now for 21 years. And in our brickwork department, we're very successful. We run full-time courses for people who wish to work in construction but don't currently have a job within the industry. We run our level 1 diplomas, level 2 diplomas and level 3 diplomas. Each one is a year, and you can progress up through those 3 years to take it up to whatever level you wish to. What we quite often find is that a lot of our full-time students do actually manage to secure apprenticeships while they're on our full-time programs. Now, we do have a lot of contacts ourselves within industry, so it could be that we can find apprenticeships, or we do have a lot of individuals that find their own apprenticeships. And we're very adaptable, and we can move people from a full-time course onto the apprenticeship at any point when they manage to secure that job role. Again, quite often what we also find is that people who don't manage to get that apprenticeship, they complete the diplomas with us, and they do manage to find work by the time that they finish the qualification. So rather than running through an apprenticeship, they can then go straight into full-time employment. We do also run apprenticeships for people who are working within the construction industry as bricklayers. And we currently just moved on to the new standard, which is level 2. And we have a dedicated on-site assessor who will be the link between the company and the student, yourselves. And what happens there is the assessor will guide you through the 2.5 years that it will take to get the level 2 qualification, and prepare you for your on-site your endpoint assessment. Sorry. Some of the units that we cover in our qualification include setting out of buildings, mixing mortar and concrete, as well as brickwork and blockwork, which is what you would expect, the basics on these qualifications. Pretty much every year we enter competitions locally and nationally. That's the Guild of Bricklayers competition and the Skill Build competition, and we've been very successful. We're, I know within the Guild of Bricklayers competitions, we're one of the most successful colleges in the country in competition. So we look for people who have got that edge, and we give them a lot of support. And as I say, we go around the country entering competitions, and we've done very, very well over the years. In fact, in 2018, we were national champions in the Guild of Bricklayers and Skill Build as well. Moving on from brickwork, we run our carpentry and joinery. Again, very successful department, been running for many, many years. We run full-time courses at level 1 to 3, exactly the same for brickwork for those who don't currently have a job within the industry. Again, anyone who does manage to secure a job while they're at college with us, we can move them straight over onto an apprenticeship, or again, we have a dedicated assessor who is on site, and they can often find apprenticeships for our full-time students. Again, we enter a lot of competitions. Well, 2 competitions. We entered the Skill Build competition again, and the Institute for Carpenters competition, and we did very well in there with 2 places. We came first in the junior competition and 3rd in the senior competition. That was nationally. So we're very supportive of our students, and spend a lot of time and effort in competition. Within the carpentry courses, some of the work that we include basic woodworking joints, using and maintaining hand tools, and the preparation and use of portable power tools, as well as many other units. So that is the basics of what we do in our construction area. Again, just mention again, the 26th of November is our virtual open event. If you want to speak to myself personally there, or any of the staff within the construction area, please go through the college website to find out further information. I'll hand over now to Simon Davenport, who is our curriculum leader for motor vehicle, and he can explain a little about that area.
Going back to, yes, so my name's Simon Davenport, as Julian has just said, and I'm the curriculum leader for motor vehicle engineering. Motor vehicle engineering, what's it all about? Well, essentially, when you come to us within your first year, we will progress from the very basic skills of how anybody can jack a car up, but can we get a car up safely? Can we take wheels off safely? Can we get them back on safely? And we know that the job that we've done is going to last until the next service interval for that vehicle. We start at the front of the car. We pretty much end up at the back of the car, and all of our programs are year on year. We have very high expectations, and this will, I'm confident to say that this will be our 7th year of 100% pass rate on our programs. And as such, we are an area of outstanding, graded by the college, and our college also, Newcastle and Stafford Colleges group. We are, I think I'm right in saying, the first fully outstanding college graded by Ofsted across all areas. So we're very proud of that. Just whizzing down through our list, then you can see that we do construction and design variations. Within the engine area, we do lubrication, cooling systems, fuels, exhaust, spark ignition. By the time you've come out of this course, then you will have a sound knowledge of cars. You will be well placed to enter the workplace. And on that note, we do work with a lot of employers, local employers, and if any jobs are coming up, then we can place you with somebody suitable from your area. And we're quite successful with our apprentice provision as well. Our personal vehicle stock that we work on, we have everything from, we have some of the older vehicles to start on. So it doesn't matter so much if something gets broken by accident, but we go right the way up in our fleet. We've got hybrid vehicles. We've got a Tesla Model X, which is all electric. We've got a BMW i8 sports car, which is a hybrid vehicle, Nissan Leafs, Nissan electric van, and Toyota hybrid vehicles as well. So we go right from everyday work vehicles right the way up to full-on modern electric, in which we can deliver the electrical training that you will need to work safely on these vehicles. I think to keep things tidy, mindful of the time that we've got, if you would like to know more, then please, as Julian said, log on to our open event and we can spend as much time as you like discussing your needs and our provisions. So on that note, I can leave us with that information. Thank you very much.